I am making a snickerdoodle pumpkin cake. Oh, yum. Got my spice cake mix, my pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, just plain pumpkin. And my eggs, water, and my oil. And optional, an extra 1/4 cup of sugar because the pumpkin is slightly on the tart side. Pour in my cake mix, or get my cake batter. Spread it around. Then for our snickerdoodle top, going to add our cinnamon and sugar. Right, and then we're going to sprinkle it all over the top. All right, we're going to put this in the oven and bake it. All right, here is our snickerdoodle cake. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious. We're gonna let it cool and then Mike will come and test it. And to make sure it was done, I stuck a knife in the center and it came out clean. Pumpkin snickerdoodle cake made with cake mix. I hope it's good.
Smells good.
It's a test recipe.
Pumpkin snickerdoodle cake?
Yes.
Ooh, it's orange.
Well,
That's really good. The funny thing about this is I would never eat pumpkin or snickerdoodles or anything like that because I thought it tasted like pumpkin smelled, and I thought it tasted like Snickers, and it doesn't taste like pumpkin or Snickers.
no,
It's like a spice cake. It's really good.